Hi guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make this cute flower basket with bottle cap. So let's start. First, to make this, take a bottle cap and jute thread, put some glue here and then stick it like this and then roll it around the cap. Roll it till the end. And now put some glue here and then stick it in the end like this. Now we will make the handle. Just hold it here in place for some time. And now we will make the handle. For making the handle, you will need a smaller piece. Put some glue inside and then hold it for some time here. And then put glue on the other side. And then stick it on. Like this. Now take a cotton ball and place it inside like this. Now allow this to dry. While this dries, we will make the flower. To make the flower, you will need a 1.2 cm by 6 cm strip from glitter foam sheet. Take your scissors and cut 2 strips like this. Don't cut it completely. Cut it till here. Now make another cut. And now you should have 3 parts. Now you will have to braid it like this. After braiding it, stick all the 3 ends together like this. After sticking it, you should have something like this. Now take your scissors and cut it here to make a curve. Like that. And now roll it like this. After rolling it, you should stick this part to the flower here, and then you will have your flower ready. You should make 2 more like this, And you should also cut out 3 leaves from green glitter foam sheet. Now take the basket and then place everything inside. Place the roses here. And then keep the leaves in between the flowers like this. I have just placed it. You can also stick it. It was really easy making this, wasn't it? It's really easy making it. I have also made one with pink flowers. Please do try this at home. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.